Hey guys, I'm back and just wanted to upload my forecast with regards to ES for the week of February 17th. So, first, I wanted to go over the economic calendar for those who are not familiar with this. If you go to forexfactory.com and scroll to their calendar, you can filter to see specific news events for the week that may impact your trading. So I personally like to filter for USD only, and then red folder news is specifically what I'm looking for, but I'll also leave up orange folder news because every once in a while it can impact your trading. As an example, existing home sales could potentially cause a reaction in the market this week. But as you can see from the calendar, today was a federal holiday, so there wasn't any red folder news. Tomorrow, there's technically no red folder news. You have some red folder news after hours, so I would just advise if you have any swing trading positions open to be mindful that they may be impacted. Wednesday is where we finally get to some red folder news, but that's not until 2 p.m. And from previous releases of the FOMC meeting minutes, the market doesn't always react, but every once in a while there may be something in the meeting minutes that, you know, might cause the market to lean one way. In this case, the meeting minutes would be looked over to see if there's any indication that the Fed may have changed their stance on interest rates, whether they decide to raise them due to the abysmal CPI numbers that came out last week, or if there's any indication that they are going to continue to keep interest rates steady. Thursday, we have unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. So that could inject some volatility into the markets. And then Friday, we have the flash manufacturing PMI at 9:45 a.m., followed by existing home sales. I know, again, it's not a red folder news item, but there are certain non-red folder news items that can move the markets a little. So that is the economic calendar for the week. Based off of this calendar, um, I would say, you know, tomorrow is the first day back from a long weekend. It's technically the Monday of the trading week, and there's no red folder news during trading hours. So the price action may not be the best. You may want to just observe price action, or if you do take any positions, maybe go lighter. Wednesday is pretty similar, although I do think that Wednesday you'll see more movement in the market, just because it's now the second day of the market being open for the week, and with the FOMC meeting minutes coming out at 2 p.m., maybe we see some sort of move after the meeting minutes release. Thursday and Friday look to be the best days to trade this week based off of the economic calendar. Okay, moving over to trading view. I have the 1 week time frame pulled up right now, and you can see we closed extremely bullish last week. However, we came to a liquidity area and we tapped it, and then we closed inside for the week. I mean, the weekly candle is bullish regardless, but it was interesting that we, couldn't push past and fully sweep that liquidity. Also up above, we do have all-time highs. I would expect, the bullish close that this week would continue to be bullish, and we would see a new all-time high put in. Let's drop down to the 1 day. Okay. The market is open right now, so ignore this candle. But you can see Friday's candle was pretty indecisive. No real body, wicks on both sides. And again, it tapped into this liquidity area, couldn't take it, closed pretty weak, if you ask me. But we have this daily fair value gap and order block structure right here, which is very bullish. So ideally, we will see price come back into this area, create a balanced price range, and then continue upward to create a new all-time high. And just gonna check the 4 hour really quickly. Yeah, you can see a lot of consolidation in this area. The candles are continuing to tap the liquidity area, but not pushing past it. So we'll see what, tomorrow and Wednesday will bring. But ideally, if we were to continue bullish, you would want to see price come back, balance this price range, and then continue upward. So basically going into internal range liquidity to take out external range liquidity. All right, that's it for my analysis of ES for the week of February 17th. I hope this was helpful. Hopefully, I was clear in my explanations. And if you have any comments or questions, please drop them down below. Also, what is your bias for the week? Are you bullish, bearish, or neutral?